Large all-brick 2-story North Oshawa home with beautiful open concept layout. The hardwood floor throughout the main floor. Family-size kitchen with breakfast area. Cozy family room with gas fireplace. Enjoy a huge master bedroom with 4-piece ensuite including oversized tub. 3 other rooms are fair-sized. Working distance to shopping center, Tim Hortons, public, Catholic and French immersion schools. 10 minutes Highway 401, 5 minutes Highway 407 and bus. Extras: stainless steel fridge, stainless steel stove, stainless steel dishwasher, washer and dryer. All electric light fixtures, all window coverings.